So this is uMahatma Gandhi. Sanibonani, ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomyami. This is uGandhi. He is known as Aram Senkosi, is saint, the most purest person who ever lived. Asiqale. We all know ukuthi uMahatma Gandhi wakhulela la eSouth Africa and all over the world ubukwa as i-saint. So mina ngivumela ukuthi ngikutshene leqiniso leli abakufihlela lona. Understand ukuthi in multiple letters to i-colonial authority, abaphathi be-apartheid, uGandhi begged them to treat Indians better, but not because he believed in equality. He did it because he wanted to distance Indians from black Africans. Wengabafuni abantu abamnyama uMahatma Gandhi. Understand ukuthi kulama letters akhe khona le writing ethi the Indian is a being belonging to an ancient civilization. He is not a barbarian or savage like the wasibiza ngamakhofi. Wasibiza ngamakhofi. Multiple letters esibiza ngamakhofi. In most of his writings, uGandhi ubethanda ukubiza abantu abamnyama ngamakhofi, and lokho ubekwenza more than 20 times uloku uhlangane naleli gama mawufunda amabooks akhe. Understand yena ukuthi he demanded segregation from the black Africans. Ngisho nasemajele ethi nje yena they were degraded as amandiya ngokuthi babekwa endaweni eyodwa nabantu abamnyama la eSouth Africa. Akugcini lapho. Understand ukuthi ngo-1859 uGandhi wrote to iNatal Parliament a protest the idea ukuthi bona bamaNdiya they are regarded as ama-natives race in South Africa, demanding better treatment for amandiya, not abantu abamnyama. How does it feel mntomnyama ukwazi ukuthi ihero yakho ingelosi yokulunga i-saint ibikuzonda wena as umuntu omnyama, that throughout impilo yakhe esahlala le South Africa he advocated ekutheni ukuthi amandiya atreatwe kangcono kunawe. He hated the idea ukuthi bona ba regarded as abantu abamnyama. Ding 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 ding, zero is namanga. Ding 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 ding, Gandhi is a saint. Ding ding, uzobezwa kuma comment phela.